Wow, 6 months went by fast! Just kidding, guys, I'm still here. So a lot of YouTubers recently are boycotting VidCon because they suck. And by doing that, they are making their own YouTube convention. We had TanaCon, which absolutely failed. And now there's gonna be a FouseyCon. So you know what? I'm gonna join the trend and I'm gonna make my own YouTube convention. Introducing MSACon. Please order the tickets. Admission is going to be your entire savings. Guys, there's only 10 reserved spaces, so the rest of you are just gonna have to burn outside under the sun. Kinda like how I'm burning with this light. This light is super hot, mind you. Oh my... Alright, so my dog's been going crazy ever since, like, I started recording, so I don't know what's going on, so BRB, guys. If we get swatted, it's gonna be on video.
Guys, it was just my family that was getting back from the store. I'm apparently not getting swatted.
It's time to go swimming. Oof. Oof. What? Yeet. Whoa, it's like flooded back here. Whoa, my feet are submerged. What an oof! Ah! Yeet! Get back, Lucy. Holy crap. Jeez. This just happened like a minute ago. Look at this flood. That's not good. Look at this. Yeet! Oh my gosh. I'm like so caught up. We're gonna jump on the trampoline. Okay, so the rain has calmed down. Oh, never mind. It's starting back up right when I say it calmed down. That's an oof. Lucy, calm down. Lucy, calm down. Stop. No. No. Lucy, stop. She's got an umbrella. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh, wow. Oh my god, it's like flooded all through here. All back here. Oh god, I almost just slipped and fell. That would have been a meme. Oh my gosh, it's like really bad out right now. What a meme, right? Hey, you know what you should do? You should subscribe to my YouTube. YouTube.com/MSAO3. It's just down below on the video. If you click that, you'll get a free pillow. And did you guys know that almost every single day I waste countless hours streaming for you guys on Twitch, and you guys don't even watch them. So go follow my Twitch. That's twitch.tv/MSA_03. Tomorrow I'm probably gonna be streaming some TF2. It's gonna be good. And you know what else I spend countless hours on? Google Plus. Please follow me on Google Plus. Like, I don't have actual social media because I'm just a loser. So follow me on Google Plus. The link is in the description. And finally, I'm gonna be dropping some fire beats soon. So go follow my SoundCloud. SoundCloud.com/MSAO3. Okay, that's it, guys. Please, thank you for watching the video. I don't know where this is going anymore. I'm probably just gonna click that button to stop recording. So, thanks for watching.